That's just not fake, just not fake, just not fake. Ain't not the mic, say fuck the niggas that you game with.
Dripcess friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and to my new subscribers. Welcome. I'm Dripcess and I upload fashion and lifestyle content.
Standing right there, what it gotta be?
Today I'm going to be recording another solo diary. Basically just spending time with myself, having fun with myself. What I have planned for today, I already went to the park. I went to the park, y'all. We're on the swings and that stuff. What I'm about to do now, I'm about to go to Cambridge Mall because y'all know your girl has like a shopping addiction, okay? But first I gotta get gas. So we're gonna go to Cambridge Mall, do a little bit of shopping if I see anything, because I went to the mall yesterday with my sister. So yeah, but that's just what I got going on right now. I look a little crazy right now because of the angle, but y'all, I promise you my fit is like pretty chill and I look decent, okay? So I'm in the fitting room. I'm at Forever 21. I got some clothes that I need to try on. I'm not trying on this. It's just a brown button up, y'all. The girl been collecting her button ups. Okay. Because they're just like really like basic wardrobe essentials. But I got these pants. I'm gonna show y'all. But yeah, I'm just in the fitting room about to try on the pants. So the pants, y'all, like the material of the pants, and then like I have a hoodie that goes with this, but these are small. These are a medium. I know I'm a small, and I feel like I need to get an extra small in these because, you know, like they're not tight like how I want them to be. If they don't have an extra small, then I'm not gonna get these pants because these look so like, you know, like I'm gonna see if they have a small. I mean an extra small. Cross fingers that they have an extra small because I don't know. I mean they're not bad, but like I want them to fit like a little more tighter. I mean like, hold on, let me show y'all. Like I have a little bit of room. I don't want no room. I didn't see anything here, but I'm in the line for Auntie Anne's because I want some pretzels. And yeah, so I'll talk to y'all more when I'm in the car. Yeah, so like I said when I was in there, I didn't see nothing. Well, I see something, like I didn't get the brown button up because I didn't really need to get it right now, but I wanted to get it, but I didn't really need to get it right now. Only reason I was gonna get the brown button up was because I was gonna get the pants too, but the pants, they didn't even have an extra small, so I was like, okay, I'm not gonna force myself to try to get something, you know, because no. And I already have a lot of button-ups, but I have been stacking up on my button-ups. So yeah, read my pretzels. I'm about to be on my way back home. Yeah, I'm playing Bratz. I'm playing Bratz right now. Look.
Today's the grand opening of my new beauty salon, and I'm majorly freaked. What if no one comes? Oh. Sure.